Hey everybody, today we're going to go over the answers to, or the odds for the answers to Translation Practice 2, which was one of the assignments for the first unit, for the first section of the third unit. And it's asking us to graph the image of the figure using transformation given and write the coordinates of the image. So yeah, what we're going to do is write the coordinates of the pre-image. So D, E, F, and G. Okay. So D is -4, +2. E is going to be -4, +4. Let's see. F is going to be -3, +4. And G is going to be -3, +1. Okay? And we're going to go 6 units down. So I'm going to count down from G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's G prime. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's D prime. E is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's E prime. And F is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's F prime. So this is a translation, so it should preserve congruency, which it does. And we're going to go ahead and write the coordinates of our image. That was a pre-image, this is the image. So D, E, F, and G. So D is going to be -4, -4. And E prime, let's forget the primes. E prime is going to be -4, -2. F prime is going to be -3, -2. And G prime is going to be -3, -5. Okay. Number 3. Let's go ahead. I'm going to just write these pre-image points each time. I like doing that. C, D, and E. It's good practice. So C is going to be 0, -2. D is going to be 3, 1. E is going to be 2, -4. And let's go ahead and apply this. So 2 right, 3 up. So 2 right, 1, 2, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3. That's D prime. So 2 right, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3. That's C prime. And E, 1, 2, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and that's E prime. So C prime, D prime, and E prime. So C prime is 2, 1. E prime is 4, -1. And D prime is 5, 4. Okay. So you can see what's happening here. We're shifting this down. We're shifting this right and up. Okay, zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so our pre-image, let's see, W, X, Y, Z. So W is 0, -3. X is 2, 2. Y is 4, 0. And Z is going to be 2, -4. Okay, so now we're going to go 1 down. So that's pretty straightforward. So 1 down, Z prime. W, 1 down, W prime, 1 down is Y prime, and 1 down is X prime. And it should preserve congruency, which it does. So W prime, X prime, Y prime, and Z prime. So W prime is 0, -4. X prime is 2, 1. Y prime is 4, -1, and Z prime is 2, -5. Okay, let's look at the back. So actually, let me zoom out here so you guys can see them all. You can check your work that you did. Okay, let's flip it over. So now we need to write a rule to describe each transformation. And this is where the coordinates are probably going to be a little more important. So we're going to pick a point. We're going to pick H and H prime. So H is going to be 3, -1. And H prime is going to be negative 1, 4. So we're just going to look, how did we go from h to h prime? So let's go ahead and we can draw this. We can actually do this a few different ways. I'll show you both ways. So we went up and to the left. So we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we're going left, that means x is going down by 4. And if we're going up, that means y is increasing by 5. You could also literally write up 5, left 4, that works too, but I like using the notation. Okay? All right, let's check the next one. So we've got, let's go g to g prime. So g is going to be 2, 2. And g prime is going to be 2, negative 1. Sorry, not 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, negative 1. Okay. So let's see what we did here. So we went right 1 and down 3. So if we're going to the right, x is going to increase by 1. And if we're going down 3, it means y is going to decrease by 3. And that's it. Okay? Last one. We're going to go from h to h prime. And I'm just picking 2 points. It's just the first 2 I see, but I don't know. There's really no science to that. I'm just kind of picking 2. You can pick whatever 2 you want, actually. So h is going to be negative 4, 3. And then h prime is going to be negative 1, 5. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So we went up 2 and right 3, it looks like. So if we're going right 3, that means x is increasing by 3. And we're going up 2, so y is increasing by 2. And that's it. All right, so that is the second of the 2 translation practices. I hope that helps, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. All right, see you.